You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these boys' given name, originally from Sanskrit, Hindu. If you want to learn more Indian names, make sure to stay tuned. In India, usually pronounced as Hari, Hari in English, where it's pronounced Hari. It means yellow or brown or tawny. Hari. How to pronounce Hari or Harry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.